In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spotlight on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're leading a virtual meeting, a webinar, or simply want to bring attention to a specific participant in a Teams meeting, spotlighting is a fantastic feature that can help enhance your presentation and audience engagement. So let's get started on making your Teams meetings more effective and focused. Firstly, to kick things off, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, click on the Sign In button and enter your account information. This step is crucial because everything we're going to do is within the Microsoft Teams environment, and you'll need proper access to your meetings and participant menus. After successfully signing into your account, the next step involves heading over to your calendar within Teams. This is where all your scheduled meetings are listed, and finding the specific meeting you wish to manage is essential. The calendar is a central hub for meeting organizations, so finding your meeting shouldn't be too tricky. Now, having located the meeting in question, go ahead and click on your meeting. This action will open up the meeting details and give you several options about what you can do next. This step is key in getting you closer to spotlighting a participant. With the meeting details open in front of you, proceed to click on the Join button. This will initiate the process of entering the meeting as a host or a participant, depending on your role within the meeting setup. Joining the meeting is obviously an essential step before you can manage it. Once you've clicked Join, you'll see another prompt asking you to join now. Go ahead and click on Join Now to officially enter the meeting. You're now in the virtual room, ready to manage participants and engage with the content of the meeting. Upon entering the meeting, you'll want to click on People. This will bring up a list of all participants currently in the meeting. This step is where you start the process of highlighting or spotlighting a participant, as you'll need to locate the person you wish to spotlight from this list. Having found the participant in question, click on the three dots next to their name. This action will bring up a menu of options related to this specific participant. Finding and utilizing these three dots will unlock a ton of possibilities for participant management. From the menu that appears, click on Pin for Me. This action essentially spotlights the participant for your view, making their video feed the main one you see, regardless of who else is talking or presenting. It's a fantastic way to keep focus on a key speaker or presenter, and there you have it. Spotlighting on Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process that can significantly impact how you and others experience meetings. Not only does it allow for a focused meeting environment, but it can also highlight critical presentations or discussions. Remember, the spotlight feature can be particularly helpful during large meetings, or when wanting to draw attention to a specific person, such as a guest speaker or the primary meeting host. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering one of the many useful features within Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and make sure to apply these tips in your next Teams meeting to keep your virtual gatherings engaging and well organized.